Through our channel Swastik Knowledge Care, we will regularly cover important issues of Income Tax Act, GST, Companies Act and various other laws from time to time for common assessees and tax professionals. In this episode, the eminent tax consultant, author and the speaker Shri Paras Kochar Advocate will let you know about time, date and place of surveys made by the Income Tax Department. Before we begin, we request you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any update from our channel.
In number of seminars being addressed by me, I have found that the delegates ask certain questions regarding survey operation under Income Tax Act 133A. They ask whether surveys are only conducted during sunrise and sunset or only from Monday to Friday. Some of them also ask whether survey can be conducted at the residence or not, and various other queries. To clear the confusion, in this episode, I will try to briefly explain the time, date and place of survey under section 133A. Friends, surveys are not conducted as per sweet will of the income tax authorities. There are certain rules and regulations. Act mentions about the time, date and place of survey. The survey can be conducted only on any working day. Even the Sunday, if it is the working day of the SSC, it can be conducted. For example, in various malls, now shops remain open on Sunday. So, the survey can also be conducted because it is the working day. As the time of survey is concerned, it can be conducted only on working hours. Whatever may be the working hours of the SSC, the surveys can be conducted. For example, suppose there is a nightclub. It opens only at 9 o'clock in the night. So obviously, if the survey has to be conducted, it can be after 9 o'clock. So it is the working time which counts. And in case of a third party, means if a survey is to be conducted in connection with the SSC on any third party, then such survey can only be conducted during sunrise and sunset, not during the working hours of this SSC, but during sunrise and sunset only. For example, during course of survey, if the SSC admits that his books of accounts are lying at his chartered accountant's office, then, and he admits at 9 o'clock in night, survey cannot be conducted at 9 o'clock in the chartered accountant's office because the CA in this case is a third party and survey can only be conducted during sunrise and sunset. It may be next day. And the next question is, what is the place of the survey? Obviously, the place of survey is the business place. The working place of the SSC is the place of survey. It can be office, it can be godown, it can be his branch. But what about the residence? Since residence is not the working place, survey cannot be conducted at the residence. But during course of survey, if the SSC admits that his books of accounts are lying at his residence, or his stock is lying at the residence, or his cash balance is also lying at the residence, the department authorities can immediately cover the residence and can conduct survey in the residence of the SSC. Otherwise, survey cannot be conducted at the residence of the SSC. And once survey starts, suppose a survey has taken place in afternoon and then there is night. It will continue in the night and even in the next day. Once it starts, it is not concluded till there is end. There is a case law in this connection. I will like to cite N.K. Monoth versus Deputy CIT. N.K. Monoth versus Deputy CIT 1995, 215 ITR, 275 Taxman 238 Madras. So friends, regarding, in conclusion, I would say that income tax surveys are made only on a working day, during working hours, and also on a working place. And in case of survey on a third party, during sunrise and sunset. So assessors should be aware about the time, place and date of survey. And in detail, if they want to know, I have written a book on survey, search and seizure. It is on question and answer format. They can go through this book. It is available in Flipkart and Amazon and various bookshops of various cities. In next episode, I will cover search and seizure under Income Tax Act. Thank you.
For further information and knowledge on survey, search and seizure, you can read the book Practical Aspects on Survey, Search and Seizure, which is in question-answer format, written by Shri Paras Kochar Advocate. This book is available on Flipkart, Amazon and various bookshops in various cities of India. You can raise any query relating to income tax, company law and GST and other allied laws through our website www.incometaxparaskochar.com. Thank you friends for watching this video.